Hey there, financial friends. If you're a Bank of America credit card holder, you know how crucial it is to make your payments on time to avoid fees and keep your credit score in tip-top shape. Today, I'm breaking down the simplest ways to make your Bank of America credit card payment. Whether you're tech-savvy or prefer old-school methods, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, the most convenient option is online through the Bank of America website. Start by grabbing your credit card details, like your account number and the amount you need to pay. Head over to bankofamerica.com and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments or Bills section. Here, you can select your credit card account, enter the payment amount, and choose your funding source, maybe your checking account or another card. Hit Submit, and you'll get a confirmation in no time. It's quick, secure, and usually processes instantly. If you prefer mobile convenience, download the Bank of America app on your smartphone. It's free and user-friendly. Open the app, log in, and tap on your credit card account. Look for the payment option, enter the details, and confirm. Pro tip: enable notifications so you never miss a due date. For those who like automation, set up autopay right in the app or website. This way, payments are deducted automatically from your linked account each month, perfect for busy folks. Now, if you're not into digital methods, you can make a payment over the phone. Just call the customer service number on the back of your card, follow the prompts, and use your bank's routing details. Or, go old school with a mail-in payment. Send a check or money order to the address listed on your statement, but remember to account for mailing time to avoid late fees. One more thing. Always double-check your payment confirmation and keep an eye on any potential fees for certain methods. Making payments is all about staying on top of your finances, so stay vigilant. There you have it. Making your Bank of America credit card payment doesn't have to be a hassle. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and take care of your finances.